60 Seconds Traffic Pro. Best AdSense Alternative. Do you want to make money online by sending traffic to your affiliate links? In this 60 Seconds Traffic Pro review video, you will know how to make money online in 2022 via sending your affiliate links to real buyers. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is a perfect solution for you. It is a patent-pending app that sends up to 150 plus free leads and buyers to any link in just 60 seconds, clicks a pop around, and repeats endlessly. Before I tell you to click on the first link in the description of this video to get 60 Seconds Traffic Pro, there are things you need to know about it. 1. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is the first ever patent-pending free traffic app, a new traffic source. 2. It schedules 100% free traffic in 60 seconds to deliver an autopilot, which is a good AdSense alternative. 3. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro delivers thousands of free leads and buyers to any link and works in any niche. 4. It is fast, free, and 100% newbie-friendly. Click on the first link in the description of this video to get 60 Seconds Traffic Pro, buyer's new traffic source. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is one of the best Google AdSense alternative. Subscribe to this channel Smart Software TV for more content.